here's how you get a new project going. So first of all, I'm going to actually bring in my tutorial that we've been working off of, and if you scroll on down near the bottom, you'll see all the scripts, and you'll see Mr. Tyrrell, I always wanted to be a dog, and all the shots that were in here. So you can see that I've got other teachers and what it is that I have them say and what you can get them to say. You don't actually have to get them to say these things, but please keep it clean. You can do some different stuff. So what I think I'm going to do actually is for Mrs. Mahan, I'm going to take a look at, I'm just going to show you how you start a new project. All right, so you can pick any of these other teachers that you like to work on. I'm going to go with Mrs. Mahan. All right, now, see this video project right here, the project folder, click on it and you will see all different folders. And you see more because you've got a bigger screen than me. I'm gonna go shift apostrophe to show you all of the stuff. And here's Mahan right here. So I'm gonna double click on hers and it opens up in her own bin. Remember at the very beginning of the tutorial, we did that settings in the general settings. So when you double click, it opens in its own tab. All right. Now, we are going to double click on the first bit right here on the first video. And I'm going to go back and see that for Mrs. Mahan, I want the best thing about teaching is beating the kids. Well, okay, I imagine she actually said that. So, so I want the best. That is in shot 30. She did a couple of takes, so it's not written in there, but I'll take a look at shot 30. Actually, I'm going to take a look. I went shift apostrophe to find, oh, there's 30. I've got two different takes of that. You know what, quite honestly, the second take or the last take is usually the best. All right, so I like to work backwards. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to listen. Hit the space bar.
Take 2 and action.
I really enjoy teaching the kids culinary arts. It's the best.
All right, so it's okay. She wasn't having a stroke. But I did ask the teachers to slow down and enunciate their words a little differently so that it was easier for you guys to edit them up, quite honestly. So don't worry, she's okay. I asked her to talk like that. Let's try to get the words the best.
The best.
There it is right there. Very easy. Look at all these spaces that she gave for us. That's awesome. Thank you, Mrs. Mahan. All right, now I'm going to put my playhead here and I'm going to hit the letter I, and over here I'm going to hit the letter O, and I'm going to go Option K. Oh, I didn't do that right. I had a little bit more of the S. Yeah, I moved the playhead. I hit the O again. Now I'm going to go Option K to listen if I got the best.
The best.
Oh, still don't have it. Move it over. Letter O, Option K.
Best.
There it is. I got it. All right. So now this is the big difference right here. All right. So we are currently working off of this clip right here, and you're going to make a new movie out of this clip. Movies are called sequences. Okay. And you'll notice over here we were working under Tyrrell sequence. Okay. Now we're going to make a new sequence. So you're going to hold down the Control key and click on the name of the movie, name of the clip, right here, and say New Sequence from Clip. Right there it is. Right, and it's made a new sequence right here. It's called it MVI_8212. Maybe I might change that to Mrs. M. All right, I'm gonna hit return, and it becomes that. And notice over here, it changed the name right here. Awesome. And then you just keep editing the same way as you did before. And that's how to make a new sequence. Have fun.